Hello friends, and welcome to today's project of making crème pâtisserie, or also known as pastry cream. I have even included the French accent to be more authentic. I had to Google it to make sure. We will be making a vanilla base and chocolate based version. This is a cream to always have in your pastry section. Full recipes will be in the description. It is so versatile and can be used in so many main desserts like fruit tarts, custard slice, millefeuille, and many more. First, pour in a pot 115 grams of caster sugar, then 55 grams of corn flour, 80 grams of milk powder to give it a nice milky flavor, and then give it a whisking to break up all the dry ingredients. We will be doing something a little bit different, breaking the traditional method on making it, a common method of tempering the eggs with the hot liquid, but the results will still be amazing. In this method, we will be mixing the egg yolks with the dry ingredients. Pour in 125 grams of egg yolks. Mix it. And then add in 15 grams of vanilla essence. 300 grams of room temperature water. And whisk everything until it dissolves. And then add in 300 grams of double cream. Bring the pot onto the stove and turn on the heat to medium to high. Be on standby and bring it to a boil. Cook it out for at least 2 minutes until it thickens. Keep whisking to make sure the bottom doesn't burn. You will see it turn shiny and creamy. Once that happens, take it off the heat. Whisk it for about 10 seconds and then transfer it to a plate or a cooling tray. Cover to touch with plastic wrap or clean film. Let it cool in the fridge, preferably overnight. Now, onto the chocolate version. It is pretty much the same kind of method. Once again, into a pot 115 grams of caster sugar, then 55 grams of corn flour, 80 grams of cocoa powder. Give it a whisk to incorporate the dry ingredients together. And now 125 grams of egg yolks. Mix that. And then add in 15 grams of vanilla essence, 300 grams of room temperature water. After you have dissolved everything, add in 300 grams of double cream. Bring the pot onto the stove and turn on the heat to medium to high. Let it boil for at least 2 minutes, cooking it out to thicken. Just remember, chocolate can burn easily, so you really have to keep whisking when it's on the heat. Once it thickens, it will look something like a thick ganache. Take it off from the stove and whisk for about 10 seconds. Pour it onto a plate to cool. Look at that, a clean bottom, because we kept moving the mixture so that it didn't burn at the bottom. Wrap it with clean film or plastic wrap to the touch. Keep it in the fridge until it cools. Overnight is best. Alright, I will be honest with you guys. I couldn't wait and I had some already. Most traditional pastry cream recipes will require you to break up the cream either using a whisk, spatula, or paddle. Here, I will be using a food processor to really make it creamy. In fact, delicately creamy and airy at the same time. Put it in your food processor, doesn't matter, you can use a big one or a small one. Blend it until smooth. Make sure to scrape the sides as you blend. My oh my, doesn't that look creamy already? Now, same goes for the chocolate. It will be rather firm to the touch when you take it out from the fridge, but once you've put it in the food processor, it will change all that. You might notice some fat separation, but that's okay. The blender will help you emulsify the cream back again. The entire blending process for me took no more than 2 minutes. My goodness, it looks just as great as the vanilla one. It looks creamy, velvety, shiny, and rich all at the same time. Now to show you the consistency of how well the two creams pipe, here is a small demonstration of what you can do with these creams. I decided to decorate some brownies. The two creams hold up pretty well and can maintain the shape that you have piped. And there you have it for today. 2 simple recipes of crème pâtisserie. 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to be notified for more upcoming videos. Until next time, bye for now.